Alright, hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So in this video we want to look at the solution to this problem. Alright, so we are asked to find the value of 2 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power y equal to 4 as equation 1, and then this other one as equation 2. Okay, so we are to solve these two equations simultaneously. That means to get the values of x and y that will satisfy the two. Okay, so this is an exercise from my video on one of my videos on exponential equations, right? So here now you can clearly see that there is no rule of indices that says something about subtraction, except the exceptional rules where we are told that right, so we are told that these are not the same. So that's the only place subtraction was brought in under the rules of indices. But we have rule for multiplication, for division and all that. So now here, what do we do? Now, because we can't use any of those rules immediately, so we'll try to see, is there a way I can make the powers of these two numbers to become the same? Alright, okay, of course, from equation 2, I can actually see a linear equation where I can write one to be a subject of the other. So I can write x to be the subject of y, and that's going to give me y plus 1 equal to x. If I take negative 1 to this side, it becomes positive. If I take negative x to this side, it becomes positive also. So from here now, I can quickly try to substitute into the equation given, and if I do that, I'm going to have 2 raised to power, my x now is y plus 1 minus 2 raised to power y equal to 4. Okay, so now from here I can now see the rule of indices clearly here. And what's the rule there? That's the rule that says that if I multiply index numbers with the same base, something like a raised to power x times a raised to power y, that it is going to be equal to a raised to power x plus y. Okay, so and you can go opposite direction. So that means from here I can have that my 2 raised to power y plus 1 can be written as 2 raised to power y times 2 raised to power 1. Okay, so what can I do now? I will try to give a name to my 2 raised to power y. So assume that my 2 raised to power y, we decide to call it p. So what would that give me? You can easily see that the outside one now will become p. So and then the one inside is 2 raised to power 1. And so 2 raised to power 1 will now multiply p. And then minus the other one there. This one also will be equal to p as well. So I'll have p here. Everything is equal to 4. And we are done. P times 2 is 2p, and 2p minus p is p, and that will give our p as equal to 4. But remember that p equal to 4 is not what you're asked to get. You're actually asked to find the value of y. So, but here we know that we said that 2 raised to power y is equal to p, and so from there we can then have that 2 raised to power y is equal to 4, which is the value of p, and 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2. Why did we do that? So that since we have equal bases, so that our powers will be equal, and so our y will now be equal to 2. And immediately we can substitute into the first equation we created, and that's going to give our x as equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So by implication, therefore, our x is equal to 3 and our y is equal to 2. And you can clearly check if this is true by substituting into both equations, because the values of x and y should satisfy the two equations you're given. And of course, starting from equation 2, if you put your y as 2 and your x as 3, 2 minus 3 will clearly give you negative 1. And then also here in equation 1, if you put your x as 3, 2 raised to power 3 is 8, and then minus 2 raised to power your y is 2, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. And so our equation is, our solution is clearly correct. All right, so that's the solution to that exercise. Kindly subscribe to our channel. We see you in other videos. Bye.